Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So look for yourself that BONK is doing pretty great. It's actually doing some amazing things. And I like whatever is happening with BONK right now. So for the past few days, it has been a little bit better. We were starting to make that sideways consolidation that we were looking forward to. So here's everything, right? I've spoken about this many times before. The downtrend, the break above, the retest, perfect retest as well, successful retest we're talking about. And the worst case scenario is still you can come down here and move up. That will still be good, but the worst case is that you lose the trend line and then you go down, which has not happened just yet. We're doing pretty fine right now. So if I take a trend line and we're about to break this last little bit of a trend line right here, because you can see that we're trying to really come above and take this out. So you do have a double bottom right here, maybe come down, make a triple bottom if you wanted to, and eventually from that point onwards it's a break, and hopefully a break to continue to push to this technical target of 3901, and that's going to be an additional move from there to there, 44% move to the upside. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.